Secondary research methods. Internet. Using the internet is the most convenient form of secondary research, as one can get whatever one wants by typing just a few phrases on a screen. Content analysis. This is the study of mass media. For instance, if a researcher wants to know about the changing issues of racism and minority discrimination, then he or she will examine how the concerned were represented in the media, like the times they were mentioned and/or the judging of the tone of reports. This is especially useful to interpretivists. Official statistics. These are the documents released by the government. Official statistics are data gathered by government bodies for a wide variety of purposes, such as recording demographic details in censuses, unemployment and crime rates, etc. This is a very convenient and cheap source, but it does have a chance of being biased in favor of the government officials, and this would decrease its validity. Well, guys, these are all the research methods and sources that we studied today. In the next lecture we would be completing this chapter. For now, some FAQs. Q1. Give comparison between quantitative and qualitative data. ANS, the quantitative data and qualitative data have various differences that distinguish them. Quantitative data is represented in the form of statistics e.g. graphs, charts, whereas qualitative data is presented in the form of prose and passage. Additionally, quantitative data is preferred by the positivist tradition for its relevance and facts, whereas qualitative data is preferred by interpretivists for its in-depth data that deals with human experiences and meanings of events in people's lives. Finally, quantitative data is reliable. This means that if the same study was repeated again, the chances that the results will be the same stay increased, but this is not the case with qualitative data. Q2. Define structured interviews. ANS structured interviews are those interviews that contain a preset quota of questions that are asked in the same order every time by the interviewer.